Let me know where the fuck you wanna go. I pull up in that Rory, girl, I make it skirt. Tell your friends about me, girl, I put in work. Let them know, I let them know. Niggas salty ever since I fucking showed up. See the chain swinging, yeah, I'm on a glow up. Why you think your bitch around me bout to blow up? Let them know. Shorty, come right here. I'm addicted to bitches with long black hair. I know you like the show tonight. Drip and go, you know the game. We'll savage, make it bang. Fuck a fake nigga, I'm in my vibe. What the fuck you want, I'm in my vibe. Drip and go, gang, I'm in my vibe. Mobbing with the squad, I'm in my vibe. Pouring out a fifth, I'm in my vibe. Digging out your bitch, I'm in my vibe. Fuck up on my face, I'm in my vibe. Fuck a fake nigga, I'm in my vibe.
Just let me vibe.
I'm in my
Just let me vibe.
all the time.
Just let me vibe right now. I just wanna vibe right now. I got a bitch that hit me when it's time to smoke. Blow it down and fuck her when her man ain't coming home. That nigga keep calling, but she won't pick up her phone. That shit out of service while I'm fucking by the stove. I let her know. If that nigga fuck up your vibe, just let him go. The shit we do between us, she professional. You know I ain't got no excuses. Every time it's all exclusive. Me and Mizzy on this new shit, it's the vibe.
Fuck a fake nigga, I'm in my vibe. What the fuck you want, I'm in my vibe. Dripping gold gang, I'm in my vibe. Mobbing with the squad, I'm in my vibe. Pouring out a fifth, I'm in my vibe. Digging out your bitch, I'm in my vibe. Fuck up on my face, I'm in my vibe. Fuck a fake nigga, I'm in my vibe. I'm in mine all the time.